If you run a spa or wellness business, you might have the best services in town. But if no one can find you on Google, it's like you don't even exist. Imagine someone in your neighborhood searching spa near me and your competitors show up while you're nowhere to be seen. What if I told you there's a simple free way to get your spa right at the top of local search results and start booking more clients fast? By the way, I'm Altaf, a web and marketing expert with over 17 years of experience. I've built 200 plus websites and helped countless businesses grow their revenue using smart, practical strategies like this. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to set up your Google business profile, step by step. The same process that's helped my spa and wellness clients double their bookings in just weeks. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to get found by the right people at the right time. Alright, let's talk about why local SEO is such a big deal. Imagine this. A busy mom finishes work, feels tense, and needs a massage. She doesn't go to Instagram. She types massage therapy near me into Google, and boom, whoever's in those top 3 Google Maps spots gets her click, her booking, and her money. If that's not you, you're invisible. But the good news, setting this up doesn't take long and it's free. You don't need a huge budget, fancy ads, or complicated tech. You just need to follow the steps I'm about to share. And trust me, one of my spa clients followed this, and she was ranking in the top 3 spots in her city within 2 weeks. Let's go. First, we're going to set up your Google business profile. Step 1. Go to google.com/business. Then click on the Get Started button. Step 2. Type in your business name. So if your spa is called Zem Spa, just type in Zem Spa and click Continue. Step 3. Choose your business type. Since you run a spa, select Service Business and click Next. Step 4. Choose your business category. This tells Google what kind of service you offer. Start typing Day Spa or Massage Spa and select the one that fits your business best. Step 5. Google will ask you, where do you serve your customers? This is optional, but if you offer mobile services like home massages or on-site beauty treatments, add the areas you cover. Just type in your city or neighborhoods like downtown, midtown, uptown. This helps local customers find you. Step 6. Add your contact info. Put in your phone number and website URL. No website yet? No worries. You can skip that. Step 7. Put your business on the map. By finishing this setup, you are officially putting your spa on Google, so clients can find you on search and maps. Step 8. Google will ask for your business address. This is important if clients visit your spa location. Just enter it carefully and make sure it's accurate. Step 9. Add your services. Choose the services your business offers and click Next. Step 10. Now add your business hours. Select the days you are open and enter your opening and closing times. If you are open late or only on weekends, set that too. Make sure these are accurate so clients know when they can book with you. Step 11. Write your business description. This tells Google and your clients what your spa offers, where you're located, and why they should choose you. Keep it simple and clear. Mention your specialties like massages, facials, relaxation treatments, and who you serve. Step 12. Add photos of your spa. Upload pictures of your relaxing treatment rooms, your reception area, and maybe your team. If you don't have great photos yet, you can add them later, but I recommend starting with at least 3 to make your listing inviting. You might see a message about a $500 advertising credit. You can read the terms if you want to try ads, but if not, just skip it for now. Once your listing is verified, it goes live. And that's it. You now have your spa business on Google, ready to attract more clients. Alright, let's do a quick weekly routine so you stay on top of this. Post one new photo each week. Reply to any reviews. Update your hours if needed. Add a weekly Google post, like 10% off facials this Friday. Double check your booking link. All of this takes about 10 minutes once a week, and it tells Google, hey, this business is active. Google loves that. Now let's connect the dots to your website. If you're using my free spa website template, link in the description, you will see a section where we list your services. Add your local keywords here too. For example, instead of saying signature facial, say signature facial in your city, deep cleansing and glow enhancing. On your contact page, embed your Google map. In your footer, add your spa's name, address, and phone again. This reinforces your NAP everywhere. And don't forget to show your reviews on your site. It builds instant trust. Now let's get practical. If you're watching and thinking, okay, I get it, but I don't have time, I feel you. That's why I recommend setting this up once properly, then just maintaining it. Spend an hour this weekend setting up your Google business profile. Use your phone to snap a few pictures, ask your last 5 happy clients to leave a review. Done. Then every Monday morning, set a 10-minute timer, add a new post, update hours. That's it. You'll see results fast, more website clicks, more calls, and more people walking in saying, I found you on Google. Now let's talk about extra things that can boost you even more. Add FAQs to your Google profile post, short videos, highlight seasonal treatments, share behind the scenes of your spa. And one of my favorites is highlighting client transformations, like before and after stories or relaxation journeys. People really love seeing real results. Now I know you might be thinking, does this really work? Let me tell you a quick story. One of my spa clients, right here in a small town, followed these exact steps I'm sharing with you today. Within just 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks, her spa showed up in the top 3 results on Google Maps when someone searched massage near me. No paid ads, no SEO agency, just this setup. Proper Google business profile, consistent info, reviews, photos, and a booking link. That one change alone doubled her weekly appointments. So when I say this works, I've seen it happen. Fast. If you've been wondering why your spa isn't showing up on Google or why you're not getting as many bookings as you want, this is your missing link. Set up your Google business profile. Use local keywords. Keep your info consistent. Ask for reviews. Share photos. Connect it to your website. It's not hard, but it's powerful. And if you want help setting this up or even a full website plus local SEO setup done for you, you know where to find me. Links in the description. So, if you've been wondering why your spa isn't showing up on Google or why your bookings aren't where you want them to be, now you know. Your Google business profile and local SEO are the missing puzzle pieces. Set it up once, keep it active with simple weekly tasks, and watch how your client calls and foot traffic start to grow. And hey, if you want me to help you with this or even build a full local optimized website for your spa, just check the links in the description. I've got your back. Don't wait until your competitors take all the clients. Get your spa seen and booked now. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your spa's growth.